Welcome to our channel. If you're encountering the failed to verify identity error on PrizePicks, you're not alone. This issue typically occurs when the platform is unable to confirm your identity, preventing you from making bets or accessing your account. Don't worry, though. Let's walk through some troubleshooting steps to fix it. 1. Double-check your personal information. Incorrect or inconsistent personal information is one of the most common causes of identity verification issues. Solution: make sure that the information you entered, like your name, address, date of birth, and social security number, matches the details on your government-issued ID. If you've recently changed any personal details, like moving to a new address, update them in your PrizePicks profile. 2. Clear your browser cache or app data. Sometimes, outdated or corrupted data in your browser or app can cause issues during the verification process. Solution: for browser, clear your cache and cookies in your web browser. Restart the browser and try verifying your identity again. For the app, clear the app cache if using Android, or uninstall and reinstall the PrizePicks app to reset any data that may be causing the problem. 3. Use a different device or browser. Issues with the device or browser you're using might cause problems during identity verification. Solution: try switching to a different device or use a different browser. If you're using mobile, try switching to a desktop or laptop and vice versa. Ensure that JavaScript and cookies are enabled in your browser settings, as these are necessary for the verification process. 4. Upload a clear and valid ID. PrizePicks requires a clear photo of your government-issued ID for identity verification. A blurry or invalid ID can lead to verification failure. Solution: make sure your ID photo is clear, well-lit, and shows the entire ID without any obstructions. Avoid using a cropped or blurry image, and ensure that all text and numbers are readable. Some users may also need to upload a selfie holding their ID as part of the verification process, so be sure to follow all instructions carefully. 5. Contact PrizePicks support. If none of the above steps work, the issue may be account-specific or related to the platform itself. Solution: reach out to PrizePicks customer support for further assistance. Provide them with all the details and any error messages you've received so they can quickly assist you. PrizePicks support can help you check if there's an issue with your account or the verification process and guide you through the necessary steps. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the failed to verify identity error on PrizePicks and complete your account setup. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more troubleshooting tips and solutions.